Hi Cindy, I going to try to explain you how to do the existing loads and the breakers. So the first that we need to do is go to the power plants. Once you are there, okay, the rooftop. Let me try with this one. This is the same example that you've been working. So you must to insert electrical e-connection. Let me see if we have it here, or we can use another kind of element. Okay, I'm going to do it with this G-box. Usually when I have to do this, I prefer to do it in a space that I'm sure that I can find again. So let's do it behind the building, behind the store. I'm gonna put this G-box here. Let me check if we have a panel schedule. Panel board here, we don't have any panel board, so I'm gonna place one to show you how you have to do it. I'm gonna place this panel here, and I'm gonna need this junction box. As we are trying to put this junction box as existing load, we need to check what is the level voltage and what is the load that we have here. At this point, to have too much information about this, or we can close here and assign the level voltage. In this case, I'm gonna put 120, one pole, and the apparent load. You must have it because you have the existing load. So in this case, I'm gonna put 1,000. Load classification, you can move it if you need it. If we are talking about maybe any kitchen equipment existing or any receptacle of power, usually I leave as a power load. Once there, you have to connect, give some power, number of poles is the same way that we always do these things. Okay, I found the other panel, so forget about the panel I just placed. You have to connect here, that's all. I'm gonna delete this one. Now this junction box doesn't have any name. I'm gonna put it as existing load, or let's put some existing receptacles. Select the panel. Now this one should be here. No. Let me check why this panel doesn't. Okay, I forgot to power the panel. I'm gonna put it in 3 poles. Now I'm gonna panel again. Maybe I forgot another thing, it is assign the distribution system. Once you get there, you do that. Now you can assign the panel. Now it's connected to that panel. And if you check the panel schedule, you have the existing receptacle there. If you need to move the trip, you just have to type here, I don't know, if you have a 60 amperes breaker there, you just have to type it. Usually this one is not the template that we use for this, so you have to change the template. Don't worry about that. I used to do this and a key for that existing, and that's all. Once you do that, you don't want to show this in your drawings. You only have to click once with the right button of the mouse and hide. You can hide this thing. And that's all. If you want to find again, you have to come to the bottom of the screen and reveal the hidden elements. Now you can see again the G box. You have to click again the right button of the mouse and unhide it. And that's all. Once you turn off this little button here, the G box appears again. That's the easy and quickest way to put some existing loads.